Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Edge Wallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device. And then once it is opened up, tap on the search box and then type in Edge Wallet and start the search. Once you find the application with the Edge Wallet application icon, you can just go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button within the app. Now go ahead and tap on install and this will begin the download and installation of the Edge Wallet application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and when you see the open button, you can go ahead and tap on it to open up the Edge Wallet app. Once the application is opened up, you can proceed with signing up to your new account or logging in to your existing one to start using Edge Wallet right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Edge Wallet application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.